Hey, what's up, team? Carolyn told me to send over this screencast to everybody. Anyway, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how you can actually start outranking your competition. Really striving to get more of those quality jobs to your door as well. Anyway, I just got your website pulled up here. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Just gonna look over your site for a second. I would really beef this up to about 15, maybe 2,000 words of content, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer in other keywords on what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these images. Hang on one second. There we go, right here. Even these images, what they're saved as, it's all you got Goodman dash logo. That's all content. Google actually sees that and put keywords back there. It'll make a big difference for your ranking purposes. Now, if I go inside of Google and just type in AC Repair Orlando FL, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees. These are actually brand new for Google. They're trying to go away from those old school traditional ads because a lot of people get spammy phone calls. They came up with ad blockers. So these Google guarantees are supposed to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. Underneath that, we have the little map section. This map section is to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is, just an online business directory. Whether it's the BBB, Yelp, CityStar, Facebook, LinkedIn. There's tons of them out there. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath that little map section is where all your organic ranking is going to happen. This really comes down to how authoric is your content, being able to be found for those keywords. Those keywords is how people are searching your website. And the power that runs it all is what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of your site. Looks like you started building this thing back in 2013, and 2018 is where you did a lot of backlinking, and you did some more work in 2020 as well. Last 3 months, it's kind of starting to die off there for you. So you got 120 referring domains, which is pushing back 507 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over 3,000 or so. You got 666 keywords you're actually being found for, which is pushing back 147 clicks to your website every month, which this is just all organic. I do notice that you're actually doing ads too. I don't know if you're doing like TV or radio ads, but the PPC stands for pay per click. But anyway, if we just go look on the keywords here, where that 147 is coming from, you can actually see all that organic traffic. So heating and air conditioning, HVAC, really what I'm looking for is buyer's intent keywords. You got your name for a lot of these. U.S. Heating in Orlando. AC Repair Orlando free estimate. Yeah, so we're missing a lot of keywords that should be up here. Let me go to the second page. Okay, there we go. HVAC Orlando FL. Your 23rd position, there's 100 clicks every month that comes in for that one keyword. Your 23rd position, so you're missing all the traffic from that. 20th position on HVAC plumbing electrical. There's 50 clicks with that keyword every month. Let's see here. Orlando leak nope. Florida. Let me go jump over to one of your competitors here. This is Del Air. They actually have locations all over the Florida area. Kind of showing you what they're ranking for. So really you can go through and pick out these keywords on what you actually want to be found for, and kind of showing you the amount of traffic that's coming from these. There's 600 clicks with AC Repair Orlando. This guy has first position, and he's getting a ton of traffic for that one keyword there. air conditioning repair Orlando, 200 clicks from that keyword. So there's 800 clicks for those 2 keywords alone. Orlando AC repair, 150 clicks. He's first position on all these, and the amount of traffic is just insane. So yeah, really going down and making sure that you're ranking for those buyer's intent keywords will bring in that quality of traffic that you're ranking for. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, feel free to give me a call back, or tell me how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks.